So our next suggestion here will be a discussion on the alignment of your content on your VideoScribe. We have found that the content aligned in a horizontal fashion really improves the viewing experience of our VideoScribes. While this is a stylistic preference of ours, this might improve the viewership of your particular scribe. Otherwise, when images and text are laid out all over the place, that means that the camera will be traveling all over the place. So be mindful of that. So we will play an example of what this actually means. We're going to have some images here that are sort of laid out all over the place, and then images that are sort of laid out in a horizontal way. So we'll play this VideoScribe and show you what we mean. So as you can see here, images are kind of going up, down, left, and right versus images that are going from one to the next. So that is our suggestion on content alignment.